YouTubers, how no one Alex here. Recently I just put up a new video of the snowstorm. This is a little bit of an update, and right now currently it is, let me go check my clock, and it is 11:35 p.m. on November 29th, and I'm going to show you how much snow we got so far. And seems like it's not stopping. You see, as the quality of the video is not very great, we look like we have about 2.5 inches of snow on the ground, and if my predictions were right, I believe I said in the previous video about 3 inches. And so if it keeps like this, then we're probably going to get at least 5 to 6, maybe even more inches of snow here. But this is out of my apartment complex window, door wall, and you know, it looks like a little winter land, you know. So anyways, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, please leave a comment. And this is obviously the part 2 of the winter storm 2011 November 29th. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, you know the drill. Leave a comment, and you know, tell your story about what you are seeing right now with your winter storm. Thanks for watching.